Did you wake up feeling stiff, sluggish, or tight in your back and legs? If the answer is yes, this is exactly what you need. You're in the right place. Today we're starting the day strong, flexible, and fully energized with a 5-minute flow designed to wake up your entire body. We're focusing on spinal mobility, hamstring flexibility, and upper body release to help you move freely and powerfully. No equipment is needed, just your mat and a commitment to feeling great. You can do this anywhere, your bedroom, living room, the gym, or even outdoors for some fresh air. And here's the plan. We're going to start in downward dog to activate the full body. Flow into 3-leg downward dog to open the hips. This is going to be tough, but you can do it. And finish with an overhead tricep stretch to reset your posture. Most people rush into their day without preparing their body, but not you. You've already taken the first step to feeling better, and that's a win. By the end of this routine, I promise you're going to feel looser, stronger, and fully awake. Let's hit the mat. If you need a stretch that hits everything at once, this is it. Downward dog wakes up your spine, hamstrings, shoulders, and core, all in one move. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart. Lift your hips toward the sky, forming an inverted V shape. Press your heels toward the ground, and it's okay if they don't touch. Keep your spine long and shoulders strong, pushing through your palms. Hold for 1 minute, gently pedaling your feet if needed. This stretch decompresses the spine, lengthens the hamstrings, and builds upper body strength. I promise you by the end you'll feel stronger and more flexible. Beginners, bend your knees slightly if your hamstrings feel tight. Advanced stretches, hold the pose and actively push your heels toward the ground for a deeper stretch. Now that we've activated the full body, let's take it up a notch with 3-leg downward dog. Want to level up your flexibility and balance? This movement will fire up your core, open up your hips, and improve mobility. From downward dog, inhale as you lift your right leg straight up toward the sky. Keep your hips squared or open for a deeper stretch. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Lower your leg and switch sides, lifting your left leg for another 30 seconds. This stretch lengthens the hamstrings, strengthens the shoulders, and improves hip mobility. By the end, I promise you'll feel stronger and more balanced. Beginners, keep the raised leg lower and focus on balance. Advanced stretches, add ankle circles or bend your lifted knee for a deeper stretch. Now that we've opened up the legs and hips, let's flow into a dynamic forward fold to stretch the hamstrings and calves. If your hamstrings feel stiff in the morning, this movement will loosen them up and improve flexibility fast. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and hinge forward at the hips. Let your upper body hang heavy, relaxing your neck and shoulders. Inhale, then exhale as you sweep your hands towards your toes in a gentle, bouncing motion. Repeat for 1 minute, keeping the movement fluid and relaxed. This stretch increases hamstring flexibility, improves circulation, and reduces lower back tightness. By the end, I promise you feel looser, lighter, and more mobile. Beginners, keep a slight bend in your knees if needed. Advanced stretches, walk your hands closer to your feet for a deeper stretch. Now that our lower body is fully stretched, let's reset the upper body and shoulders. If your shoulders and arms are feeling tight, this stretch will instantly release tension and improve mobility. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Reach your right arm overhead, bending your elbow so your hand reaches down your back. Use your left hand to gently push your right elbow downward. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch arms. This stretch improves shoulder mobility, reduces upper body tightness, and enhances flexibility. By the end, I promise you feel loose, relaxed, and fully refreshed. Beginners, keep the stretch light and gentle. Advanced stretches are lean slightly to the side for a deeper stretch. If you sit at a desk all day, want to boost your energy, get rid of stiffness, and take better control of your movement every day, join our mailing list and receive a free gift that's going to help you achieve all of that. I promise you're going to love it. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.